Yeah.
Dex has so much stuff.
Yeah.
You just gotta talk to him for 5 minutes.
What?
But
It's all about the love. It's all about the love. So, this is what I believe. We are all energetic beings, primarily, and we act as antenna, where we transmit signals, energetic frequency, and we also absorb it. And you know, in personal experience, you go into a situation you just don't feel right. That's your intuition speaking to you, and that is the point of operation that I want people to focus on and speak from. You watch a ton of YouTube videos, and it's all information going in your head. You're going, yeah, right, I should apply that to my life. This is a place to apply that to your life. And do so from your gut instinct, from intuition. Speak from there with the focus and emphasis on love. Love for yourself, love for your challenges, love for a new context that is conducive to the life that you want to be. Again, you already know who that person is in you. Simply practice being that. And that's the workshop in a nutshell.